Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how to use Amazon Fire TV app as a Fire TV remote. So if you don't have a Fire TV remote, we can use Amazon Fire TV app to use as a Fire TV remote so that we can do all the operations on a Fire TV. For that, guys, just type Fire TV remote. You can see here Amazon Fire TV will come. Now install this. It's installing. Now let it open it. So this will come. Fire TV would like to find connected device on your local network. Allow Fire TV to find connect transfer data between devices. Okay. Just click on allow. Okay. Now looking for Fire TVs. Now one thing you have to do, this is a mobile phone which I'm trying to connect. This is an iPhone. The Wi-Fi which I'm connected to the iPhone should be the same Wi-Fi should be connected to the Fire TV. If that's the case, then this Fire TV, Amazon Fire TV app will connect to the Fire TV. So now what I'm doing here, I'm trying to connect a Wi-Fi which is connected to the Fire TV. I'm using the same Wi-Fi to connect to my mobile phone. The Fire TV and Amazon Fire TV app will be in the same Wi-Fi. Now it is saying Fire TV is available. Okay. Click on that Fire TV. So waiting for your Fire TV. The 4-digit password will be displayed on the Fire TV. So entering the 4-digit code, verifying the pin here. So remember guys, this is remote. Now we can operate with this application as a Fire TV remote to the Fire TV. Let us go to the TV screen now. Using my mobile phone as a remote, you can see everything is going down here. So just adding everything. Hope you like the video guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.